Hi everyone, are you ready to strip paint 50% faster, 50% more efficient with less setup time? If so, you need the InraRed rack kit for your infrared paint stripper. What is the InraRed rack kit? Stay tuned and we'll find out. So what is the InraRed rack kit? The InraRed rack kit, exclusively from My Own House Fix, contains two major components. One being the infrared rack bracket assembly. The infrared rack bracket assembly is exclusively available for My Own House Fix. We've designed this to be durable. It's a full steel construction, galvanized plated frame, zinc coated hardware. There are no plastic parts on this assembly, so no plastic parts to wear out or strip out. It's durable and it'll last forever. Next, what does it fit? So your infrared paint strippers, from your Speed Heater 1100 to your silent paint remover, as long as you have roughly a 14.5 inch width on the body with a 3/8 hole through the frame, then this bracket will work. And last but not least, the quick release and locking mechanism is my favorite part of this. It offers super fast vertical adjustment up and down, and my favorite, the scraper caddy. Alright, so this is the infrared rack bracket assembly. Stay tuned, we're going to hit the second part of this assembly, the infrared rail system. The second part of this system is the infrared rail system that you see here at the top. This includes everything that you need to mount the infrared rack bracket assembly and everything you see here, and it's included with the purchase of the infrared rack bracket assembly. So this includes all the infrared rail system data that you need to purchase it locally. So this includes the quick parts list for the shopping list to buy locally. It includes your parts manual, your assembly, operations, and setup manual, and includes all the video tutorials to walk you through each step of the way from the parts manual all the way through assembly and operation. You might be wondering, why are we not including this as a part of the kit? Well, a lot of these parts are available at your local hardware stores, so we've cut out the middleman, we save you money on shipping, we save you on the markups. You can go online with the links we provide and all the data we provide, have that shipped straight to your door, or go pick up at your local hardware store. So it makes it a lot easier, makes it more economical compared to the comparable kits that are out there. Okay, additionally, as part of the infrared rail system, it's customizable to any length and any height that you want, right? So if you want to go 20 feet wide, you can do that. You just keep adding rail sections. So you can maximize your setup to the width that you want, the height that you want based on the rods. You mount this up to the highest point, and now you have access to the largest work area possible, except for the top couple of boards. This reduces your setup time too, right? So you mount the infrared rail system and forget it. There's no additional components, no additional brackets, no poles or bases that you have to put on here. You mount it with a couple of screws on the mounting brackets and you're ready to go. Mount it and forget it. This also allows heating while you strip. So while you're stripping paint, you can be heating down here and scraping down here. It reduces all of your waiting time. That's what makes it 50% faster, because you have this tool, usually it's hanging here 50% of the time while you're scraping. This gives you hands-free heating while you scrape and takes this expensive tool and reduces that downtime by 50% because it's not sitting here just hanging doing nothing. Last but not least, if you have a crew of 2 or a crew of 10, again, what I like about this kit, it's so versatile, is you can mount one assembly, or if you have a crew of 10, you can mount multiple, like you see here, and again have access to this entire work area and have multiple people working. And last but not least, my favorite, the scraper caddy. Magnetic base here that holds your scrapers vertical, so if you're swapping those out, you don't have to stick them in your back pocket and you're good to go. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the overview. If you want to learn more, hit the button at the bottom of the page to find out more details.